So if you open it, this is how it's gonna open. You close it, it closes it. So yeah, so this is what the left bar is gonna do. Straight up the dashboard. On the left section, you have your recent notifications. So you can just get the recent while you were gone, what all progress has happened. You're gonna get those. And the middle section is gonna have the overall project status until now. And the right side's gonna have tickets. I'll explain about tickets now. So the dashboard's done, and this is gonna be the chat page. So if you're like a new client or something, uh, once you click on the chat icon, you wouldn't have any open chats. Okay, you you click on the plus icon, it's going to show you a list of teams, or yeah, like whom do you want to chat with. And then you hit your reason, something like, this is the reason I want to chat with you, so blah 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 blah. And then you hit on click request to chat, and then we get the confirmation message whether it's up to us. We can either accept it or
Okay.
decline it. So yeah, if we decline it, they're just gonna get an automated message saying the reason's not valid or blah blah blah, something like that. And then, but then if you accept it, they can just start chatting with us. They're gonna get an intro message, something like, uh, right, like the terms and conditions.
I think that we're gonna need a secretary or something
Yeah.
to like help us organize and stuff. Doesn't make any sense, like just like an assistant or something like that.
Yep.
So you can go to her and
She's
ask.
gonna do all this messaging stuff, right?
Yeah, that we're gonna have a person assigned that's gonna be trained on the system to worry about this for us, so we don't have to worry about it. We shouldn't have to worry about
That's nice.
tickets, and we shouldn't have to worry about message. We should have one person handle that. Okay.
Yeah, we can maybe just consolidate this middle part and then just have it on the bottom right of the homepage or something. So yeah, you hit the request to chat, and then the chat opens up. And open bar is gonna contain all the open chats right now, the chats which is actually open, like you have requested and we have accepted it. And closed is gonna have your previous chats which have been closed, like once the issue is solved, or whatever he's asking is like completed, you just close the chat and it goes into the closed tab. On the right side, on the right panel, you have two things: members and files history. Files history is gonna show all the list of files that have been shared until now in the chat, and it's gonna be based on date. And the other thing is gonna be members, like all the members that are currently there in that specific chat. So this is what it is for chat. And then on the bottom right, you have need help, get immediate support. It's just gonna take you to the support page. Yeah. So, and then we have the progress bar. This is something like a milestone, dude. So each blob here is a milestone. So you can have something like wireframes, and then the UI UX, and then it just kind of separates into the front end and back end, and then it kind of joins back later. So it just depends on the workflow of that specific project. And then you can have the overall completion blob. And then if you click on a specific circle, it just opens up the info to it. It's gonna give you the updates, and like what all has happened over there. And also Roshan suggested it yesterday, so we can have a box over here saying something like to pay the payment for that specific milestone. So that is the progress page. And the account settings, there's nothing much in it. It's just, your name, your email, your password. You can change it if you want to. And then once you change it, you get the following confirmation. That's it. And then the support page is going to have the FAQs, and it's going to have our email. And on the top right, it's going to have so basically you go through the FAQs, and if you don't get your answer, you can just raise a support ticket. So once you click on that button, it's going to open up this overlay. It's like you enter your question over here, describe your question, and then this drop down is going to have the team list. Yeah, team list. So if you want to tag any specific team or something like that, and then you check it and then just click on submit. So once you hit submit, it's gonna go right over there. It's gonna get into your ticket section of your dashboard. So if it's gonna have a status and it's gonna have the description and stuff like that. And so if we answer to it, the status is gonna be like marked or read or replied or something like that. And then you click on the ticket, it's going to open up a model. It's going to show the entire information about what all has happened with that specific ticket, what replies we have given them. And it's going to be something like there's just so they ask a question, we just give them one reply. We are not going to continue the conversation over there. If they want to continue, they can just get into the chat and then just continue to talk with us. The other option is, as Roshan said, you'll have votes. You'll have to mark everything. Some stuff as completed. You'll have to mark some stuff as updating and blah 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 blah.
Okay, but is there detail on the marketing stuff though? Is there more detail to it?
Yes, that's gonna be detailed. That's true.
I think that the detail is important just because like when you slide the egg over, it's like, okay, but what did we accomplish?
It's like in terms of the client view, it's gonna be like it's gonna show him that this much is completed.
Okay, but don't you think a client would get satisfaction like after he got to see like like a checklist of like what he has
Yeah,
completed?
he can just click on that
Oh, he
blob
can
and
like,
he's gonna get all the info, right? So basically you'll have to do two tasks. You'll have to slide this and then you'll have to type in what all you have done.
Yes, one final reply. And if they want, they'll have to raise another one because, or what we can do is, so
Start a
in
chat with
case they want to carry on with the with the request, and if they're not satisfied, you can give them, "Are you satisfied?" You told me, you gave the idea.
Oh yeah.
You
True.
gave me the idea. After we reply, if they're not satisfied, they can raise another or appoint a meeting, and we can approve of that meeting because we don't want them to, just have random meetings every single time.
okay, bye guys.
Bye guys. Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye.
Bye.